It's Saturday the 9th. We're waking up. I want to say it's like 7 something. And we're going to head on a speedboat today for 6 hours and go island hopping. I don't really know which islands we're going to go to, so you guys are just going to be surprised just like I am. But it's a speedboat for 6 hours. We're going to take another tuk-tuk there. So this should be really cool, really fun. Got sunscreen on. My wound's looking really good. So no shirt for the rest of the trip. See you guys there. So as you can see, it's low tide. The water was all the way up here last night, and we're gonna go all the way, I wanna say, at the end somewhere over here, basically going to where the Coast Guard dock is, and then that's where we'll be boarding our speedboat, and then going off to the many islands here in the Philippines. Unfortunately, I don't really know what islands they are. There's a bunch of different speedboats that you can do, and they'll say like Route A, Route B, Route C, Route D. Well, we got a mystery one, so we'll see where it's gonna take us. When I get there, hopefully they'll tell us what it is, and I'll tell you guys what it is. But until then, enjoy the mystery like I am. It's a beautiful morning. It's probably like 78 degrees or less. It's nothing as humid as Manila. Like it's pretty much is the perfect weather right now. So I'm not gonna lie, I can't get over how much the water receded. Like I know what low tide is, I know what high tide, but this is crazy. It was like all the way up to the wall yesterday, and now look at it. And you can't beat this view. It's like I'm in Jurassic Park. Look at that, man. Got another island right there. All right, y'all. So now we're waiting here, Nido Yacht Club. We're about to hop on one of these. We're supposed to hop on one of these, but they're full. So now we're gonna, excuse me, get out of my video. I'm just kidding. I know these people. I'm not being rude. So we're gonna go on this bad boy right here, and we're gonna speedboat. And is there gonna be people with us too? It's like a group. Oh, we don't know. It's gonna be another surprise. What's that? Anyways, it's gonna be another surprise. But if you're here, there's like 30 people in this catamaran, and you just go sailing. They even have 3 days, 2 nights. This one's a little bit more expensive. Like you're talking about a couple $100s per person. But me, for American standards, I think this is all worth it. There's some that are more than others, and on top of that, what's up, Mom? What do you want to show the world? Oh, El Nido. I showed them that at the beginning, but my mom wants me to show it to you again. El Nido Yachting Club. And we're down the street. The Coast Guard building is that way, and our boat is that way. So we're just waiting now. We're supposed to be here 8:45, 9 o'clock. I'm on American time, and I gotta stop doing that. We're on Filipino time, so we're just chilling. I'll see you guys when we get on the boat. And look at the view. Jurassic Park, man. So we're on a speedboat right now. We're actually just waiting to get a permit from the Coast Guard. So every time you leave, you gotta get a permit. We're out here in the bay. Look at this. And we're actually on the other side of this right here. Now we're on this side. And still don't know what islands we're gonna go to. They're talking about it right now. I should probably pay attention, but I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what's happening right now. Got the light vest on, so. Look at that right there. Tell me that right there, those palm trees look like paradise. And me being a military veteran, when I see this, I'm thinking of like, man, imagine when the war was going on and you had to fight in these jungles. You couldn't even enjoy the sight. You actually had to go into these beach heads and fight. Crazy. seeing this right now, this video is not even capturing the beauty of this place. It is absolutely amazing. It's breathtaking. This is amazing. Look at this, they got a floating dock here. So we're about to dock here, get on these boats right here, and kayak over there. It's about to be it's about to be some good footage. So my mom and I are on a paddleboard, or not a paddleboard, we're on a kayak about to go through this tunnel right there. That tunnel right there. You guys better enjoy your time with your parents while you still can. I gotta paddle. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try and capture this. So if it gets all messy, are y'all seeing this right now? Yo, this is absolutely. No video. Mom and I living life.
Kayaking.
Of course, I'm steering. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm the princess. I'm the queen. Ciao. Go paddle, Carlos.
Just paddling away. Try and go around this whole thing. This is so cool.
There's Nella and Lolo Tony. I have your video right now. You're on video. Hello. You're still on video. Small lagoon.
Just be careful when it's wet because it could get slippery, so just be careful.
You're on video.
Oh. We're here. So I'm swimming in this private lagoon. I don't know, man. This is great. In the water. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Chee! Look at this. And I'm not gonna lie, there's little fishes here that bite it. But it's okay. This is great. Look at this, this is beautiful. Crystal blue, it's almost turquoise water. Look at this amazing view right here. If you're ever in the Philippines, definitely come to El Nido. Take a trip, because this is absolutely breathtaking. swam into Godzilla's nest. Through that hole right there. Yeah, we swam here. So I'm chilling on a private beach. Not even joking, this is a private beach. I have buko, which is coconut juice, and he poured rum directly into this thing. Like, bruh, look, got Godzilla back there. This is literally a private beach exclusive for El Nido Yacht Club. We're gonna eat in that hut today. We got about an hour chilling here. I mean, bruh. Live life, baby. So we're getting off. We're gonna go deeper into this private island. We're gonna eat in that hut. I mean, bro, here we go, baby. And I'm gonna say it again. If you got parents, man, take them out, bro. Go do vacations with your parents. Make these memories, man. Ain't nothing wrong with going on vacation with your parents, bro. People just be hating because they can't. Maybe they don't get along. And that's cool. When you have kids, man, make sure that you don't repeat that cycle. You're telling me you don't want to experience this with your family? Look at this right here. Look at this. Right here. And there's my security guard right here. My security, Big Kuya right here. Hey. He actually does security here. He's been here for 4 years and he lives on this island. That's crazy. Oh yeah, baby. This is what I'm trying to do. Absolutely amazing. Cheers, y'all. Hey y'all, look how blue the water is. This is crazy. Way better than Hawaii, hands down. This is turquoise, lush waters. We're here at a private beach. Like, this is amazing. No tourists here, just us. Look at the scenery, look at the backdrop. Palawan, El Nido, amazing. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? And the crazy thing is we only got a one-way ticket. So who knows how long we're gonna be here. Blue waters. I mean, my parents right here. Chilling, everyone's chilling. Y'all, we're back. We just did our little island hopping, went to a couple secret beaches. Now we're gonna hop in the car and head back to El Nido, like downtown El Nido. This is amazing. Amazing. That's the dock right here. Back in the tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk life. Travel with Los Camos. We're here in the tuk-tuk right now. We just went This is Travel with Los Tomos, and here we are at Leo Beach. Check this out. The tuk-tuk stopped over the road so we could take a picture real quick, and then we'll head back to the beach. I'll see you guys there. And here we are. We're back at Leo Beach. I think this is called Mamba Beach. It's pretty good. They have this really good paella here. We had it last time. And they have a good, oh, here's my mom. Got the fam with me. Even though we're right next to the beach, they got a pool right there. We got a bunch of little kind of like lounge chairs. And then we got the beach right here. So this is probably like the perfect spot to just chill, relax for the rest of the day. We're gonna order some food, grab some beers, watch the sunset again. So I'll see you guys then. And here we are again at Leo Beach, baby. Nice chill spot. Highly recommend it. This is our second time here and we're gonna be here until the sun sets. They got a pool right there. Oh yeah. And again, we're here at Mamba Beach, baby. Really good food here. The paella is good. We got some of this watermelon here. If you're in the Philippines, this is all you're drinking right here. Don't drink anything else. And then when the sunset's gonna come down right here. What's up, y'all? Got a mojito now, walking around Leo Beach. Still in or near El Nido, the island is Palawan. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This place is beautiful, it's amazing. Like, there's beautiful women everywhere. That shit is crazy. It makes me realize how much I love women, bro. Like, there's some here that are just like, I don't even know how to explain it. Fucking drop dead gorgeous. Look at that backdrop too. We about to watch the sunset. Got a pier right there. I'm about to jump off that thing. I mean, this is what you call paradise. Way better than Hawaii. For sure. Hey, it doesn't get any better than this. We got fresh from the grill that's literally right there. And now we're watching the freaking sunset go behind this freaking mountain. It doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. Oh, yeah. Look at that. If you want to know where they came up with the drink Tequila Sunrise, right there. Even though it's sunset, I get it, but still, Tequila Sunrise, Tequila Sunset. I mean, it looks like a painting. All right, y'all, and that's it for today. We're here at Leo Beach. Got the sunset here, perfect mountains. Got my family here. Make sure you click and subscribe down below.